Someone once told me, the perfect person is out there, but you need to be patient because she will find you. Our relationship has been filled with love and excitement, with our ups and downs, but I can promise you one thing, that no matter what tough times we go through, and how many times we may be upset with each other, that I will never stop trying to make you happy and to keep loving you.
Can't say how the days will unfold. Can't change what the future may hold. But I want you in it, every hour, every minute. This world can race by far too fast. Hard to see while it's all flying past. But it's clear now, when you're standing here now, I am meant to be wherever you are next to me. All I wanna do is come running home to you, come running home to you. And all my life I promise to keep running home to you, keep running home to you. Can't say how the days will unfold. Can't change what the future may hold. But I want you in it, every hour, every minute.